crafters. So I just got another message from another client asking how to make this. So you might be wondering, how did I get it from this on top of this pretty gorgeous lady? Well, you might already know, but just in case you want to know how to do that, do let me know in the comment section below. Okay, now this is actually a ready-made hat that was transformed to this. And if you want to know how to make this, you first need to watch this video that I have on my Telegram group. Hi, this is the Venn Crafts Academy, and today we present to you the mixed class training. This is the class one. So the first design we're going to be looking at is this lovely, gorgeous hat. And we're going to be making use of this. Once you watch it, okay, so what you get to know the tactics of how you can get this done. It's actually made from this particular hat. Okay, you can make it from any kind of ready-made hat that is like this in this shape. And this video will tell you how you can strip it and get the strips to form this. Okay, so if you look at this picture again, you would see that you have a brooch on the hat, so you need to get a brooch. Then you have trimmings. This trimmings, stone trimmings is what I call it. Do let me know what you call it. Okay, so these are what you have. Then you just cut it to the width that you want, of course, and take it around. So this is another thing that you have. Then this is either what happened. Either is the hat that has this. Now some hats come with these trimmings at the edge. It's the first edge you have before the other part. So either that particular hat came with this trimming, and so what they did was to put it, if you see the brim, the crown and the brim, you will see this is going round it. Okay, so if it didn't come with this, what you need to do, the strip that you pull out, as I told you, if you watch this video, you'll be able to know how to do that. You just braid it, braid 3 strips. First of all, measure the crown of the hat so you know the length that you need. So you get out those 3 strips and braid it, and then you use it to glue, and you're done. You can make this hat perfectly. So I hope with this tutorial, both the client that requested for it and you also viewing are able to make this particular hat. Remember, I said it is a ready-made hat like these that I'm showing you, and all you need to know is know the tactics of how to trim it, how to make sure that when you trim it, it doesn't start peeling off from the edge. It's the tactic. And then you can just fold it around and make all those other things that you see being done. So till we meet again, if you have any other kind of hats you do not know and you want me to guide you on how to do it, please do let me know in the comment section below. But the easiest would be if you join my Telegram group. So once you join the Telegram group, you can send the picture, but of course on YouTube here you cannot send a picture, but on Telegram group you can send the picture, and then I would be able to respond to you as quick as possible. Thank you once more for clicking on this video and watching this. Do give me a thumbs up if you gained value from this video. You can go ahead, step further and give me super thanks, and go a step further and click the membership button just to sponsor us to keep bringing you lovely videos like this. Till we meet again, it's goodbye.